Hey everyone, with the official release of its most recent flagship handset, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, Motorola has once again made a big statement in the smartphone industry. To draw on the global market, this stylish and potent smartphone mixes unique appearance aspects with state-of-the-art technology. With its square camera island that houses 3 potent lenses, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra initially looks similar to its predecessor, the Edge 50 Pro. Complementing these finishes is a sandblasted aluminum frame, ensuring both durability and elegance. The device boasts a stunning 6.7-inch LTPS OLED display, with a resolution of 2712 by 1220 pixels, and an impressive 144Hz refresh rate. With a peak brightness of 2500 nits, HDR10+ support, and covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color space, this display promises an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the inclusion of Pantone validation ensures accurate color reproduction. The display also incorporates an inbuilt fingerprint sensor for seamless security, and is shielded by 3D Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, with an anti-fingerprint coating for added protection. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is powered by the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset, paired with a generous 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and a whopping 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This powerhouse of a device ensures seamless multitasking and ample storage for all your needs. Furthermore, its 4500 mAh battery supports lightning-fast 125 watts wired charging, convenient 50 watts wireless charging, and practical 10 watts wireless power sharing. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure high-speed wireless connections, while NFC support adds convenience for contactless transactions. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the impressive camera capabilities of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The triple camera setup on the back comprises a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.6 lens, equipped with omnidirectional autofocus and stability. Accompanying this is a 64-megapixel periscope camera sensor with an f2.4 aperture, as well as a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, offering a 122 degrees field of view and autofocus for captivating macro shots. Laser autofocus and a 3-in-1 sensor enhance exposure, auto-white balance, and flicker detection for optimal image quality. On the front, a 50-megapixel sensor with autofocus and an f1.9 lens ensures striking selfies and video calls. The highly anticipated Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is set to make its mark in the smartphone industry, with a starting price of €999 in the Eurozone. Eager customers may expect it to arrive in a few locations in Asia, Europe, Latin America, and Oceania soon, though exact release dates have not yet been disclosed. Motorola intends to deliberately roll out the smartphone throughout various locations in order to serve a broad spectrum of worldwide users. With its cutting-edge camera system, unique appearance components, and potent specs, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra raises the bar for premium smartphones. This gadget delivers a compelling package that meets the various needs of contemporary users, whether they are for work, play, or photography. This strengthens Motorola's position as a major participant in the cutthroat smartphone market. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.